Hi everyone, and today I'm going to introduce you use the software about the variable chart, control chart, and the statistic control chart for the attribution. So, and after the class, you need to do some exercise and submit your assignment on the whiteboard. So I think all of you have finished your homework assignment number 5. So let's recall it. If you have your test book, please open your test book to the page 240, 240, and then you will see actually the tables that I just showed you. Okay, so 240 on the textbook. So now I randomly generate a set of data like this, and then of course now you know how to build up a XBAR control chart by using the spreadsheet of Excel. So how to do that? So let's first select this one, and then you can click average, right, of 5 data you select. You sample for subgroup, right? So you can find out one of the data sets, and then you can make all of 25 subgroup data you have, right? And then you can do the XBAR chart. So now the XBAR chart is using the function from Excel. We call it the absolute value, ABS. And then you select the number, and then which is maximum number. So we're going to select the number from the first subgroup, right? And then I can make a selection, and then minus the minimum of the same group, right? So we're going to do is actually, it will be this group, right? Okay, so supposed to be the same group. So we see that the data sets we have is from the maximum data of D3. No, this is wrong, right? Suppose one C. Okay, and then goes to, actually S will be G, right? Okay, so now it is right. So CG, CG. And then we were going to finish the selection, okay? And then we find out the range of R. And then you can make a sum of them. So you can make a sum of the data sets you have, which will be the average of X bar over here, right? And then you're going to have the sum of your R, right? And then that's actually this group set of data. Now you can make the average. So your average will be equals to this number divided by 25, right? And then you can also do the same thing for R, right? And you can also verify. So we can do some verification. We put down here, I make a brand name called average of the total data sets, which is from here to here, right? And you'll see that it's just the same. So now we have the table same as a page of 240, and then you can check about the data of D3 and D4, and you can build up the R chart. And also you can, based on the A2, and then you can build up the control chart, upper control limit and lower control limit, and based on average of R bar, right, which is on the page of 241, okay, page 241. So now we want to do a very fundamental test. If this is the result we have, so how we can build up a chart by using stack graphics. So I'm going to show you how the first step, we understand we can build up an XBAR R chart by using stack graphics. And then we can look at some of the conclusions from the computer. That's the second step. So first step, let's look at the stack graphics. So let's go to the stack graphic. And then we can find out the stack graphic from the system. Now, we're going to copy the data. So you know the data from stack graphics and actually has the same format like Excel. So all the data from Excel can be copied in the Excel. The data structure is the same. So only thing we can do is we copy this set of data. So now you know that the column means the subgroup. That means we have 25 subgroups, and then every subgroup has a 5 sampling data set. So we make this data as a copy, and also we can memorize the brand name. Now it's 15207. So let's pick up this one and right click, and then we say we're going to make a copy, right? And then we can pass to the stack graphics. So now we have a 5 column of the data sets. So now we're going to go to the other data set. We go to SPC, okay? So in the SPC, okay, and you will see the control chart here. And this is what we are doing now. So let's look at the control chart. And if you select basic variables chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think we talk about this 5 chart in the class, as well as you can see it from the textbook. And now we're going to use the most popular one, which is XBAR chart, right? So we click that one. So now they were going to ask you about the column. So we're going to select the 5 columns because every column is one of samples, right? So we select all of them, okay? And then we click here for OK. Okay, and then it will ask you, is this a initial study or this is a control to standard? If you select control to standard, you see that suppose you know about the system's mean and standard deviation, and in this case we don't know about it, right? So we just put down initial study. And then also we don't use the room format or normalize the data. We didn't do that. So what we're going to do now is still keep as a 3 sigma of the data. So we select OK. Okay, and then we select all. And then you see actually the data has been generated. Okay, and then you see this data give you actually the X bar chart, R chart, and some of comments in this area. And then when you read this table, you need to be careful because the last sentence is the most important sentence. Since the probability of seeing 0 or more points beyond limits by chance is 1, because you know the chance of that to go out is 0, so the chance of the other one is 1. And then we cannot reject this process is under control. So that means this process is under control. Okay, so and you will see the charts like this, right? And then X bar chart is like this. So this is like the homework you have been done before. And also you can check how about the mean. You see, our means is that we have is 1.527. You see, it is exactly like that. Standard deviation or the sigma is equal to 0.521. Okay, so this is like a beginning, and you know what we are doing for build out the X bar R chart. And then in the chapter 7, the class we have on the next Friday, we have a P chart. So I'm going to do a P chart and demonstrate a P chart for you. And I would like you also solve some problem, the practice after the demonstration and by using the software. So let's go back to the Excel files again. So let me close this. So I don't want to save anything. I just close it. So these are the first examples on page 250, which is about X bar chart. And I have the other one called juice scan, right? P chart. So for this chart, and then you can see actually from the page of the textbook 302. So let's go to the 302. Okay. So I'm going to do the first part for you. And then I already make the whole set of the data. Okay. These are the whole set of data. But you need to be careful. This set of data actually we are looking at is the fraction, non-conformant data. So that will be look at the number of the defects from the sampling size is 50. So we select 50 sampling size, and then we look at exactly what is the fraction it is. Okay. So if you check that, and this column are the numbers and based on the inspector. Okay. And then you need to make a calculation by using this one, right? So you see here is that we can figure out this will be equal to C4 divided by 50. So that is the fractions we have. So you see here, and this is actually the all of the data I have about 94. So now I'm going to demonstrate about how to build out the first chart. So what is the data you're going to input for stack graphics? So in this case, we're going to input the data is this column, right? Okay, not this column, not C, column C, but column B, right? Okay, so now we open the stack graphics again. Okay, and now we have the stack graphic, and then this time we make a column of this column, right? So we make a copy of this column. We say copy, and then now we go to the stack graphic. So this is the stack graphic, and then we can make a pass, right? So this is the data set.